Hello students, firstly I welcome you all to this class. This is our third class for the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. Today we'll be learning how to solve few questions from your textbook, and I'll give you the question now. Here is the question. Which term of the AP, now the AP is given here, is 78? So from the question what we understand is this 78 is one of the terms of this AP, but in which place this term occupy, that is what we are going to find. It may be occupying the 10th place, the 11th place, we do not know, so let us find now. Okay, the space available is a bit less, that's why I'll start the answer directly. So here I will write the solution. So here first term is 3. Common difference D is A2 minus A1. So A2 means 8. 8 minus 3, we get here 5. So let us assume that this 78 is equal to AN. So let AN equal to 78. So let us apply the formula now. A plus N minus 1 whole D equal to 78. So what is the value of A? 3. So it will be 3 plus N minus 1. What about D? 5. So there will be 5. Then 78. So 3 plus 5 into N will be 5N. 5 into minus 1, it will be minus 5, then 78. So 3 minus 5, it will be minus 2, plus 5N, it will be 78. So we want to find the value of N. That's why the term having N will be kept alone. It will be isolated. So 5N will be kept here, and minus 2 will be going to the other side. So now it will be 78 plus 2. So the value of N will be 78 plus 2 means 80. 80 divided by 5. If it cancels, then it will be 16. So N will be 16. So what does it mean? It means that 78 occupies in the 16th place. So therefore, the 16th term is 78. Okay, after this we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So I have written the first question. 7, 13, 19, and some terms will be there, and the last term is 205. So here first term is 7. Common difference D is A2 minus A1. So it will be 13 minus 7. Now we'll get here 6. So but last term is 205. Last term means this is also one of the terms, so it will be presented by AN only. Then here 205. So instead of writing like this, you can directly put the formula as well. Nothing wrong in that. So A plus N minus 1 whole D is 205. So A means we get here 7. So 7 plus here N minus 1 whole, the value of D is 6. Then we'll get 205. So here 7 plus 6 into N, we'll get here 6N. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Then 205. 7 minus 6, 1, plus 6N equal to 205. Then here 6N equal to 205 minus 1. So the value of N will be 204 divided by 6. 6 3 18, here 2 24. So 6 4 24. So N is how much? 34. N 34 means number of terms is, therefore number of terms is 34. So we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP, this AP. Okay, first here 11 equal to first term is 11, D is A2 minus A1, so it will be 8 minus 11, so we get here minus 3. Okay, so let us assume that, so let this AN is minus 150, so we are just assuming that this minus 150 is one of the terms of this AP. So we'll apply the formula now. A plus n minus 1 whole D equal to minus 150. So the value of A is 11. So 11 plus here n minus 1, then there will be minus 3 equal to minus 150. So implies, so there is minus actually, so plus into minus, minus. So now minus will multiply here and again here. So 11, so plus into minus, minus, okay, minus into plus, minus, so it will be thrice n. Now we got there minus, minus into minus, plus 3, 1 will be 3, then here minus 150. So 11 plus 3 will be 14, minus thrice n will be how much? 150, minus 150. So here minus thrice n will be minus 150 minus 14. So minus thrice n will be minus 164. So I can cancel this minus and minus. So n will be 164 divided by 3. So now 3 is going to divide 164. So when we divide, that quotient will be a natural number or not. Of course it will not be, but let me just show you the division. 164 divided by 3. 3, 5, 15. Then here 1, then 4, then 3, 4 are 12. Now it's 2. So if you want to continue division, then there will be a point. So it shows that this quotient will not be a quotient, means now if you continue division, there will be point here and there will be digit here. So this 164 by 3 cannot be a natural number. It means that this minus 150 is not a term of the AP. So we'll write the conclusion here. Is n equal to 164 by 3 is not a natural number. This minus 150 is not a term of the AP. So what we want to conclude is the value of n should be always a natural number, then only that will be a term. So here we are not getting the value of n as a natural number. Because of that, this 150 minus 150 cannot be a term of the AP. So we'll be moving to the next question. Okay, here is the question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So I'll just write here 31st term we are going to find, and 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So let me just rub this part. So in this question, the question doesn't give us the first term and the common difference. So let us just assume that let A and D be the first term and common difference respectively of the AP. So by question, the 11th term is 38. So but A11 is 38. So let us apply the formula. A plus n minus 1 whole d equal to 38. So now we'll get here a plus, so in place of n we are going to write here 11. So it will be 11 minus 1, then whole d, it will be 38. So we'll get here a plus 10d will be 38. So and then the a16, that means the 16th term is 73, and a16 equal to 73. So a plus 16 minus 1 whole d equal to 73. So it will be a plus 15d equal to how much? 73. So let me just rub this. Here I'll give equation 1 and here I'll give equation 2. So now we have two equations, a plus 10d equal to 38 and a plus 15d is 73. So remember your linear equation in two variables. You can use any method, any algebraic method to find out the values of a and d. So for now, for us, let us use the elimination method. So I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So let me rub this part. So here on subtracting 1 from 2, we get, let us see what we get. So a plus 15d equal to 73. So equation 1 is a plus 10d is 38. We are going to subtract. So positive will be changed into negative. Positive will be changed into negative. Again this positive will be changed into negative. So a and minus a, we cancel them. 15d minus 10d, it will be 5d. Now 73 minus 38, it will be 35. So now d will be 35 minus 5, it will be 7. So now we got the value of d as 7. So now let us put the value of d in equation 1. So putting d equal to 7, that means putting the value of d equal to 7 in 1, we get. So this is equation 1 actually. So in place of d, we are going to put here 7. So a plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. So here a plus 10 into 7, 70. Now we'll get here 38. So a equal to 38 minus how much? 70. So we are getting the value of a as 32. Now we know the first term a and we know even the common difference d. So therefore we are asked to find a 31, that means the 31st term. So a 31 equal to a plus here n minus 1 whole d. So a means 32 plus, in place of n we are going to write 31, then minus 1, d is how much? 7. So 32 plus 31 minus 1, we get here 30. 30 into 7, 210. So it will be now 242. So sorry, there should be minus. So here minus, here minus. So how much we'll get? 210 minus 32. So it will be 8. So it will be how much? 7 and 1. So we get here 178. So we have found the 31st term, and we'll be just doing one more question now. Okay, here is the question. An AP consists of 50 terms. So that means in that AP, what is the number of terms? 50. So, and which the third term is 12. That means A3 is 12. And the last term is 106. So last term is how much? 106. So L stands for last term. But last term means how many terms are there in this AP? We have 50 terms. That means this L will be equal to what again? A50. So these are the information given in the question, and we are asked to find A29. So let me just wipe out this. So as we write in the beginning, since we do not know the value of A and D, you please write let A and D be the first term and the common difference respectively. You please do by yourself, and I'm going to start like this. Here A3 how much? 12. So we have to apply the formula A plus n minus 1 D. It will be 12. So A means we do not know, so is A will be like A only, plus n is, it will be 3 minus 1 D, it will be 12. So here A plus twice D is 12. Here equation 1. And now the question says that last term is 106. So last term is 106. But in this AP, in this arithmetic progression, the question tells very clearly there are 50 terms. So here it will be A50. So it will be how much? 106. We can give the reason here. Number of terms of the AP equal to 50. This is given by the question. So A plus here 50 minus 1 D, it will be 106. So let me just wipe out this. Okay, so now it will be A plus 50 minus 1, it will be 49. It will be how much? 106. Here is equation 2. So what happened is, from equation 2, let us subtract equation 1 like we did before. So equation 2 minus equation 1, we get, so A plus 49D equal to 106. And then A plus twice D equal to 12. So we'll cancel now. This one cancelled. So 49 minus 2 will get here 47D equal to 106 minus 12, it will be 94. So D will be 94 divided by 47. So 47 into 2, 94. So the value of D is 2. So let us put the value of D equal to 2 in equation 1. So let us see what we will get. So putting D equal to 2 in question 1, we get. So let me just rub all this part. So question 1 means it's here. So A plus 2 means 2. The value of D is 2. So into 2. Then here 12. So now A plus 2 into 2, 4. So A will be 12 minus 4, and we get here A is 8. So now we know the value of D and we know the value of 8. so we can find the 29th term. So therefore A29 equal to A plus n minus 1 d. So A means 8, so n means here 29, minus 1 d is 2. So here 8 plus 29 minus 1, it will be 28. So 28 into 2, 56, and we are getting here 64. So I hope you have at least learned something today, and thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.